Ublalotak. Kanuik busy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day today. Let's be. Always do. Cooperate with others. And let's treat everyone with respect, including. Well, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something interesting called grounding. Grounding calms your mind and helps bring you back into the present moment after you've experienced some negative emotions. Why would we want to know how to do this? Well, we've been talking about the importance of taking time to consider choices and that every choice has consequences. And when we experience negative feelings, we aren't in a very good framework to make choices or decisions. Grounding helps us get into a state of mind that can help us make decisions. We still have our feelings, but they're a little damped down and we can think clearly. Grounding involves the five senses. Many of you learned about those when you were young, but let's take a minute to review for our little folks. We have see, touch, hear, smell, and taste. Okay, ready? See, touch, hear, smell, taste. See, touch, hear, smell, and taste. So the first thing we do is we look around and see five things. So I'm at home. Let me see what I can see. I can see a stool and a basket and a box and a window and a lamp and even some handmade ornaments over there. Okay, see five things. Pause and try this for yourself, especially for younger students. Next, we touch four things. Now, when I touch four things, I like to be kind of quiet about it because it might make me look a little silly. So I might touch the hard edge of my glasses, my soft sweater, my pants, and maybe the table. I like to just touch them lightly with my fingers and feel that sensory sensation. Pause for a few seconds right here and practice. Touch four different things. Then you try to hear three things. I'm in a kind of quiet spot here, so let me see. I hear the clock ticking. I hear like the hum of the refrigerator, and I just heard a dog barking. Okay, so I found my three things. It took a moment for me to settle and concentrate, but I did it. Pause for a few seconds right here and practice. Touch four different things. Now we're going to try to smell two things. That's a nose, by the way. I know it really doesn't look like one. Okay, this is going to be kind of hard. All right, you have to concentrate and think. What do I smell? I think I smell a little bit like from the heater because the baseboards are on. I really can't tell anything else. I can kind of smell the wool from my sweater. So I've managed to smell two things. Pause for a few seconds right here and practice. Touch four different things. So that was grounding and a first pass at practicing how to use grounding. Tomorrow we'll talk about when to use it and different ways to use it so that you can use it as a part of dealing with a negative rush of emotions to help center yourself, especially if you need to figure out what to do next. Have a great Tuesday, everyone, and I want to remind you that I'm so sorry. You're going to have to stay home from school Thursday and Friday. We have teacher in-service days. We're going to miss you, though. We'll see you tomorrow, and then Thursday and Friday, we have off of school. Tomorrow is a full day of school. Have a great Tuesday. And the last part is to taste one thing. I can taste toothpaste a little bit. That's going to be a tricky one, too. Some of these you really have to concentrate. Pause for a few seconds right here and practice. Touch 4 different things.